concert, sorry, but there's a death claw right outside, and he's gonna get me stuff. Today we'll be making the Pip-Boy from Vault 76, or Vault 76, the new game that's coming out. Today is June 5th, and yeah, we're gonna be making that. Oh, get the stuff. So it seemed like this always happens, but apparently my video didn't record, I mean the 12 seconds that I had the time lapse on. So I've been staring at this stupid picture for over an hour now, and I've got this to show for it. So, well, I'm gonna have to just explain it because my stupid video recorder won't actually press play. So what I've got here is a piece of foam that I wrapped around my arm and secured in with one of these, and I don't have any, there's a belt buckle on it. I don't have any elastic, but this fabric is kind of stretchy, because, yeah, it's kind of warped right there, so I thought that would just, you know, kind of stretch on my hand, and it does. It works pretty good. As you can see, it's kind of warped, but that's all. Kind of fits the fall aesthetic. I have some of this, like, sewing mesh I put in here. I don't really know what it is. I'm just mad I recorded and recorded. I have the top here. There's this one rad box right there. Here we get a better picture, but yeah, that it just shows you how much rad meter is. Here's a better look at it right here. It says, I think it says stat, item, and data. We've got the rad meter and then some caution lines, and I have that right there, along with the mesh in between. I don't have any lights under there because it's supposed to have lights, but I don't want to add any on this one since it's a rough draft. We've got, you know, and it's just, I don't know what those lights are going to be used for, what color they are. It's just, I'm making this before the game actually comes out, and it's like one teaser trailer that's under a minute long that I'm working off of. So under here we have the speaker part, and it's got your channels on it, your two little bolts, and then your speaker, which looks like that in the game. And then we come over here to a, I think it's holotape. I haven't played Fallout in a while. Actually, that's a lie. I just played it a weekend ago, but still, I haven't been in the universe for a while. Yeah, we've got a holotape player right here. I've got to put the text on it once I'm done painting. We've got our screen with a nice drawing. In the back here, I'm going to add some more text and stuff. And that's basically it. That's all I can go off of right now, is two blurry photos. Yeah, so I have to patch up this end right here and this end. And yeah, some of that right there. I'm going to paint it. I think I'm going to add some supports down here because I don't really think in the game it'll just hang out like this. I'm also going to add something over this to make it more decorative instead of just, oh, it's a belt look. Anyway, I did that. I'm sorry I didn't record. I don't know. It was having errors. So, yeah, that's basically my recorder, or my design. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and I've been working on this for an hour, and I'm tired. Anywho, yeah. Another thing I might do is I love how the cardboard's kind of like this and doesn't have that weird cardboard texture, so it can actually turn out to be kind of like weathering almost, or you know, kind of like broken. I don't really know. And then what you can also do is I started to do it right here. You can take hot glue and just kind of move it around with your fingers, and it'll make kind of like a little, I guess, grungy texture. And you can swipe it off around the edges, and it'll stick on the edges. So I'm going to do that over here, and then I think I'll be done for the night, and I'll paint it and tidy it up in the morning. So see you guys then. So one thing I have installed in here is lights. I decided to add some. So I bought a while ago these cheap string lights from Amazon. They went off 2-cylinder batteries. I don't know. About the size. The batteries are about the size of my fingernail, like half my fingernail. Anyway, they go around it goes around the thing and it goes in there. It goes a little slot in there. And I put some nice like stuffing cotton in there to disperse the light a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add this nice Pip-Boy sticker to go over top of it. And when it's all turned on together, it's gonna light up and so it looks super cool. So I'm gonna get that glued in there, and yeah, I've also cut a slot so they could be replaceable. So yeah, I'm going to get that all sealed up and we'll have our finished product.